The Supreme Court today considering a case that could redefine who gets to be an American citizen. Lower courts have repeatedly struck down President Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship, which automatically considers children born in the U.S. American citizens, even if their parents are not. Well, the president today attended oral arguments and was the first sitting president to do so. ABC's Christiane Cordero has more from Washington.
Today, President Trump arrived at the Supreme Court as the first sitting president to attend an oral argument, one that considers whether everyone born in the U.S. is automatically an American citizen.
We're in a new world now, as Justice Alito pointed out, where 8 billion people are one plane ride away from having a child who's a U.S. citizen.
Well, it's a new world. It's the same Constitution.
The president is asking the justices to uphold his executive order eliminating birthright citizenship, which only recognizes children as U.S. citizens if their parents first prove their legal status.
The Citizenship Clause was adopted just after the Civil War to grant citizenship to the newly freed slaves and their children, whose allegiance to the United States had been established by generations of domicile here. It did not grant citizenship to the children of temporary visitors or illegal aliens who have no such allegiance.
Each of the lower courts that have considered this case have struck the president's order down, ruling birthright citizenship is protected by the 14th Amendment. Immigrant advocates and the ACLU insist the president's executive order is unconstitutional and impractical to enforce.
Ask any American what our citizenship rule is, and they'll tell you, everyone born here is a citizen alike. That rule was enshrined in the 14th Amendment to put it out of the reach of any government official to destroy.
A Pew Research survey from last year shows Americans very divided over this issue, with 50% of adults saying newborn children of undocumented immigrants should receive citizenship and 49% saying they should not. The Supreme Court is expected to rule on this case by this summer. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.